Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to Zeph Mode. In this video, I want to show you how you can download and install Turbo C++ in Windows 11. Okay, at the first, go to your browser and search Studiopedia. Studiopedia. Click on this website and search for C right here. Click on this tab on sidebar and scroll down. Click on Download Turbo. As you can see, this file downloaded successfully. Click Show in Folder and extract file here. Extract here. Go to Folder and install this setup. Click on Next. Click on Accept the terms in the license agreement and click on Next and install. Finish. And finally, our program installed successfully. You can start with new project or start Turbo C++ right here. Okay, I start with new file and write simple code. Click on Compile and click on Run. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is useful for you. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.